Alright.
There we go. I'm live now.
Hello. Hi, everybody. Hello.
And also,
Hi.
where's
Also,
send my announcement. Yeah. It keeps. Stop inviting me to play Deadlock.
go set your Steam to offline.
I don't know how to do that.
Go to your Steam friends list and then you
That's
click the
fine.
drop down arrow and set it to offline.
That's fine.
Okay.
And I adjusted the features list a little bit. That's like the thing that's like.
Why is this like a hyperlink?
It's just underlined.
I don't like that. Probably don't. Something about this, it makes me feel like it's a link that you can click, and because that's like the standard color for a link.
I guess. I mean, that's
I
just
really
like the
don't
default
like that.
thing. But
Well, this one
I'll
doesn't
get
have,
rid
like,
of
an
that.
underline.
Yeah. No, I'll get rid of it.
Can you make like I don't know what the Steam page looks like whenever you're editing. Are you able to like make it a like larger text at all?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that might work better than doing like the underline highlight, just like larger with this color.
Yeah, let me see. I mean, I
yeah.
can. Let's see. Yeah, I could put this
You
on.
can. I would say probably don't,
Yeah.
just because of the team name.
I mean, I don't really care that much, but.
Fair enough.
And also,
But one thing that
wait.
I just wanted to show you something cool that I added, which is so the slime. There's the slime. If I go off screen, there's the arrow. It is very. I don't know how I want to smooth this because it's like does that.
Could you make it
But it
just
does it, like,
point
really
always
fast.
like from the player? You could just make it point from the player to the enemy instead of over his
Oh,
head.
you're right. I could.
That would be much better.
Yeah. You're right.
How do I change
I could do that.
heading size?
Excuse me. But yeah, this works nicely. I'm happy with this. What was I gonna say? The only thing that it doesn't have right now,
Maybe I can't make it.
There's no criteria. So?
I don't know if I can make it any bigger than this. I can make it bold.
Fair enough. So one thing that I don't know what we want our criteria to be is, do we just want it to be where it's like, if there's only like 2 enemies left in the level, kind of thing? Or like X amount of enemies left?
Oh, there we go. I got it. Sorry.
Got it.
I don't know why it's not.
Where the fuck is my chat? Where's my chat? There we go.
Here, let me save this. It should show up on your end now.
Sure.
In about 5 seconds. Nope. Never mind. It doesn't like that. Apparently. Unless it just like didn't update properly.
Okay, so that is clamped to screen coordinates.
I don't know why it didn't like that. Yeah, maybe you're not allowed to do that. Oh yeah, it is messed up now. That's weird.
Bounce changes based on the camera zoom. Oh, I forgot to make this a menu. Cool.
Yeah, I guess I'll just make.
Oh, I didn't. It's wrong. Comes this. Okay, so that does work regardless of where on the screen it is. Cool. Or what the zoom is. So I can do bounds.center.
There we go. Got rid of the underline. Made it bold. Hi Moaz, hop on I almost said hop on Dota. Hop on Deadlock.
Evil.
I mean, Dota works too, I guess.
Nope. Incorrect. I don't actually know if this can be this direction. Let's find out. Oh, incorrect. It is the other way around. Yeah, there we go. So if I make this the regular zoom, I didn't make it the regular zoom. There we go. So now it'll be off screen, and then whenever the enemy gets on screen, it will point. Not where it is from the player per se, but it's where it is from the center of the screen, which is ever so slightly different, but it's like basically the same.
Can you go back over?
Sure.
Let's try to see. It's like to the left. Why? Oh, okay, I guess because it's off screen.
Yeah.
I feel like.
And if it's off screen in the like bottom right, it will like aim downwards more. So it's like where it is off screen.
Yeah, that works, I guess. Yeah, then yeah, it should like fade out once he goes on screen.
Yeah, I should do that.
Make that a little more. That's kind of just...
Yeah, it doesn't fade out at all whenever it goes off screen, just because, or when it goes on screen, because I didn't have that set up, because I was just like, oh, I'll do a little bit of a for funsies. Right map subliminally.
I might adjust the short description a little bit as well. Here, let me put Biddy on screen while I'm doing my stuff off screen.
Okay.
So you're not allowed to see this. Haha.
Yeah, this is true. Also, oh, you said after stream. I see. Sorry, Moaz. Why would I want to play single draft? Didn't you get out of LPQ? Are you talking about like just for funsies?
Okay, there you go. I adjusted the short description a little bit as well.
A short description.
Mm-hmm.
You should get Moaz to read over that then.
Yeah. Moaz, do you want to translate the store page?
Oh, I wasn't talking about like translation. I was talking about because like I'm imagining.
Well,
like,
I know. I
description for,
understood
like...
what you were saying too. I was saying.
Okay.
Just a separate thing. Should I add an award to the game's team page?
Yeah, you should.
It's the Moaz award. It's the Moaz says it's good award.
The Moaz good award.
I guess you can literally just put anything in the award section, so you could just do something stupid like that. I think I have seen people do that before.
Shit.
Let's hold on. These comparing the new videos though to the old GIFs, they look so much better. Like I didn't realize how much better it looks. Like the art is almost the same. It's just like there's so much more stuff going on. And the cards look nicer and the
single draft is actually kind of fun. If you say so. It was fun last night because I dropped like 30 kills on Terrorblade, I think. Not Terrorblade, fuck. I was not playing Terrorblade. I don't know why the fuck I said Terrorblade.
I don't know why you said Terrorblade.
Because I dropped 30 kills on Razor. Right, was it 30 kills? I think it was like 29. I think I wasn't allowed to get 30 kills because they like left or something. Yeah, 29 and 3. Tragic. Which one is, what's Guardian 1? Go to 2 ranks. Is Guardian the lowest rank? Or is that... That's Herald. Let me look. Yeah, Guardian's the second lowest rank. Yeah, they just let me stomp around silver for a little bit. Hi, Wilson. Hello, Wilson. Hello. Wilson. Okay. So enemy indicators work. Yay. Let's kill some of these prints because I see that there are print statements somewhere in the project that I need to get rid of. This one, I wanted to look at the the eyeball enemy, and I wanted to make it not terrible. I wanted to play around with the way that it works. So how are you making it explode, and what is it doing? Eyeball manager. What in the hell is this? Enemy is owner. As enemy base, preferably. Health component, help them deconnect die. That's sick. Why is this actually being used anywhere? It is, yeah. I should get you to update your IDE colors a little bit. So I'm noticing certain things, like certain lines that are unsafe code. If you had the...
I do have that.
Yeah.
Red.
Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, it's red? You just, like, ignore it?
Yeah.
I'm like, I want to say it's like half of this function is not seen as type safe, even though it could be. Like, the most minimal of effort.
Yeah, I'm just bad at things like that, Twin. Don't worry about it.
What is this? What is death particles? Is this a GPU particles thing? Eyeball.
Eyeball manager, it's right above animation player.
Thank you. Okay, this is a one-shot particle. Sick. I can just say that's a node 2D. These are not happy because this isn't guaranteed to be the enemy stats that you care about, which is fine. So what do we want this guy to do again? So currently, I actually haven't played much with the new eyeball. What
Bro does not play his
How
own
does he
game.
work? Yeah. Oh, dude, he does explode fast whenever he gets close to you. And then if I were to take like an off, which I need. Oh, he explodes instantly?
Yeah.
I see. I don't like that.
Well, it feels really
then if he gets
weird
close
if you
enough.
kill him and then he just like sits there exploding. It feels really like that's one thing that we shouldn't change. I don't like that at all. If he was to
Well, the
just
problem
not instantly
is
explode.
that it makes it really bad for melee. Which, like, yeah, you should try to not have him close to you on melee, but
yeah,
it's like you cannot fight that guy with melee, which makes the best strategy, if it was a room full of eyeballs, is to run up to them and then run away. Which might be the best strategy in general for it, but it's I'm thinking that we could, let's say that the eyeball is like here and it's heading your direction. Instead of you shoot it and it just instantly explodes, instead it could like go out of control and then fly back this way and kind of do like a spinning animation where like the eye rotates for like a bit and then it explodes whenever it lands in like after like a certain amount of time.
maybe.
Just because I don't know, just like if I wanted to kill this
you
with
can,
a knife.
you can try that.
Let's see. I guess, yeah, that's one of the big parts about using Git is like I cannot kill it with a knife, you know?
Yeah.
Which is just a little bit annoying. So yeah, I would like to play around with these guys just a little bit. So how are these working? Is it all handled by eyeball manager?
Yeah, it's like the exploding is, yeah.
Is there like a state machine on this thing? Or
There's eyeball movement at the top, which handles it moving around.
I see. Okay. What's up with this? Why is this shadow variable based class? Yeah, you're right. That's true.
Okay, well I will work on earlier stuff.
Also, hello Titum, how you doing?
Hello twin.
Big Titum hours.
Let's see, I wanna see if we duplicate, yeah.
How much of this is the same as with the fire goober? Like, where's its movement at? Movement driver thing. Target velocity, move towards desired velocity, follow that, knockback, move and slide. I would like to make the nav agent stuff a little bit of like the avoidance and shit a little bit more common, because it seems like every time you want to add a flying enemy, you kind of just have to copy and paste the same kind of code.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah. Biddy. My door is near. There's no door.
Can you take a look at the level and make sure that the door is supposed to be there? And it's not like out in the middle of nowhere.
I'll figure it out. Oh wait, is this... I think this might be using the old thing.
What are we making here? We're making a game. We're doing game dev.
Game dev.
Oh, I need to add padding to the chests. Oh, I forgot to do
Yeah,
that.
this is using the old doors, I think.
Oh yeah, you can kill everything that isn't the exits node.
Okay.
And then those will need to be moved over to the right.
I see.
Like they'll have to be, yeah. You can turn on the grid and it'll make that hell easy. Okay, you got it, twin. Alright, let me figure out. So what is... This is eyeball movement. This is doing a lot of stuff. I guess, so that actually shouldn't matter. It's eyeball manager. What decides that this should start to explode? Is it just this thing? Or... No. Oh, yeah, this is part of an animation, I see. Do you have anything useful for me to grab? I thought that I just did something the other day, but I don't remember.
Win for door.
Wow, it's because it was in a state. I remember. Yeah. This had like a target override thing, right? Yeah.
Yes, it is cool blue land. This is true. Hopefully this will work now. Maybe.
What if I were to just like...
There we go. So. Oh, why is there a boss in shop? That doesn't.
Because I was able to
seem right.
spawn that. It was able to because of distance away from things. I
Yeah,
think.
but there's no shop or.
Those are not level specific yet.
Oh, and it also crashed.
Yeah, because the rain is trying to rain in a level that doesn't have navigation. We should add navigation to shop room.
Yeah, I'll do that. Shop room test. Why does it not have navigation?
Because I think that...
Maybe we made it
Oh,
before we
why
had
did-
navigation.
Why did that do that? Why did... What? Huh? Yeah? That's weird. That's really weird.
My bad.
Yeah. Yeah, that is your bad.
Yeah. There we go. Nope. Didn't like that one. Oh, do you need to have a... Yeah, we need the navigation.
Why is this not... What the fuck? That's really weird. Whatever. I'll assume that it's just because of some weird deferred shit. This needs to happen on like an off time. Okay, I lied. So that's fine.
There we go. Now it rains in here. Very cool.
How do I want to tell this that I want this to do weird shit?
Look, I can even fight the boss. Very cool.
Oh, this has an export variable. Oh. Something just unplugged from my computer.
Very cool.
I heard the fucking "Be-da-doom."
Let me think. I'm thinking.
Thinking it.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that, Wilson. I don't know why it did that. I have no clue. I moved my keyboard slightly and it... Tick-a-dunk.
Oh, but he also...
That's not even the sound for it on Windows 11, brother.
Bitlick. I noticed a
And
weird...
nor is it on Linux. Sorry, what's up?
Noticed a weird bug. In the collection page, all of the weapon cards, their damage is 0. And I don't
I
know
see.
why.
Huh. That's weird. I'll put that on my list real quick. Where's my obsidian? And then I'll take a look at that after I
Alright, Twin.
fuck with this.
Oh, and here, I'll publish the changes from the Steam page.
Okay.
And then makes you
try
try.
on option page. Okay. Final attack dot Attack position. But from the attack's position to the enemy's position or something. And then we'll multiply that motherfucker by like, I don't know, 10. We'll see what happens. Might be something fun. And then you're gonna do some weird shit, but I don't particularly care right now. Do the eyeballs get knockback, right?
Yeah. They take an increased knockback
Weird.
too. Because the knockback multiplier is really high.
This looks like this is like gross code. I don't like this. Whatever.
Okay. That works. Yeah, I need to figure out what I want the shop to look like. And I also need to figure out, I mean, the shop will probably be different on each floor, yeah.
You know what would be really funny, actually?
Mm-hmm.
So, you know how Nacho is not based off of Nacitos, despite all of the fucking insane coincidences? What if you made it, like, similar to how, like, his house is, with, like, the collectibles and, like, the... You know, like, the, what is the fucking word I'm looking for? It's, like, cluttered, but, like, not in, like, a gross way.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Be kind of funny.
We could also make it that, like, it's the same everywhere, and maybe you take, like, a... Oh, we could make it that you take, like, the train to it.
Oh, to the shop?
Yeah, like, there's a special train station that takes you to the shop.
Why does this guy not
Why does
get
he... Oh, I was
knocked
about
out?
to say, why does the explosion not have particles? But it's because it's,
Yeah, it's I'm fucking around with some stuff. It's really weird. For some reason it's spawning at the origin. It shouldn't be. Okay, so he did take knockback that time, so much so that he actually flew off screen
very cool.
in a frame, which was pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so that does the thing. I want him. I don't even know how I would begin to do this with the thing that's going on here. Because it's not like this is like a state machine where I can just like hook into one of the states and do something. So if he is killed by a player, then what? Then... Well, actually... I mean, like, this could just not be a thing. Movement driver is stopped. What does is stopped do? Is stopped. Oh, it does that thing where I see. Where it slows down. I understand, kinda. What does this drop down to, actually? Oh wait, this has an issue actually, because this is based on the amount of frames that it does it for, right?
Bit lytic.
Oh,
I have a
let's
question.
Sure, what's up?
How I wanna make it so that with the foreground parallax things that I can set the texture in an export, but I want it to update in the editor. How would I do that?
Sorry, what? What? Huh?
I want to have an export that sets the texture. Oh, this is the foreground sprite, but I want it to update in the editor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I understand. So you need it to be a tool script.
Yeah. I don't know how that
Yeah,
works,
so you would
though.
just... Yeah, so you
Do,
would
like,
make that an
what
add tool.
that tool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then you would add a setter for the texture field.
Okay. How do I do that? I forgot.
Colon. Enter. Set. In parentheses, val. Another colon at the end of it. Texture equals val. Like on that next line, yep. And then you can now do what you want to with the new texture value. You can do like sprite texture.
Texture. Okay, is that literally all I need?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you'll need to... Yeah, you'll have to assign that. And then you'll have to close the scene where you have that script and reopen it if you wanted to actually update the tool script. It's like any of the levels or anything.
Oh, so any of the levels I have to close and reopen?
Well, if there's a level that... Like, if you wanted to update it in, like, a level, and then...
I just restart the project.
Like, it was already open.
It's lazy.
What did you say?
I said, can I just restart the project because I'm lazy?
I mean, yeah, but I meant more like individual levels. Like, it's not to have it be a tool script anywhere. It's if you wanted to change it in a room. And you already had that room
which
open,
I
you just have to close the scene and reopen.
Which that's a lot of work.
It's not. You can middle click the name and then you can hit Control Shift T.
What?
On the tab, like up at the top. Wherever the fuck the thing is.
I missed. Okay, so it does work. Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can like middle click on the name of the scene up there at the top. Save it. And then you can hit Control Shift T.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wait, I actually didn't have it open in there. Anyways.
Let's see. What am I doing in here? Why the fuck am I in there? You. I was doing this. I was doing this. I wanted to see what the new this was. So nav velocity minus original, which would give me how much it's changed by. I want to see what it's doing. Okay, it's breaking by... Oh, okay, I see what this is kind of doing. Sure. However... What in the fuck is desired velocity? And where is that set? I really don't know how this avoidance stuff that you use so much works, I'll be honest.
The avoidance? Oh, yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
Or it's not even avoidance. Avoidance is like calculated automatically. It's just the navigation. It's confusing.
This thing where you've got like velocity calculated, desired velocity.
Yeah, I don't quite know how it works either, so yeah. Why is that messed up though? Build up your texture, get murdered accidentally. It did. Oh, did you see Northern Lion played Counter-Strike today?
I did not. Or I saw that you said that he was, but I didn't watch it.
Yeah. He was kind of cooking.
What does this do if I were to just, like, have this motherfucker die now? Okay, so he stands still. I don't know why he started going backwards. Why did he do that? What was that? Why did you start going backwards? What? Oh, because the knockback, probably. Hmm.
So wait, how does it determine which one's the start room?
It looks for the first room with the
Also, it just
types at
didn't
the
spawn
start.
the boss room, which is really funny.
Yeah. It's the first room with the type set to start.
Okay. I don't know if I like how the foreground looks on this level, but it's okay. It works for now. I'm gonna do custom foregrounds at some point.
What the hell?
What the hell? What's that for? Did I pick the right layer? Layer 5.
Probably not.
Now, what if we swap this up? What would that look? Alright.
Why in the fuck is this? Dude, this thing is so weird.
What if, Oop, never mind, that doesn't work to save shaders.
What doesn't?
I was gonna try to make them darker and see how that would look, but that's okay.
Did not have a... Wait, did they have a shader on them?
Yeah.
Does the shader not have a tint variable on it?
I don't know whether it's not on here. It's
Oh, it's part of the sprite.
yeah. And then I'd have to change
Yeah,
it.
makes sense.
Each individual one. It's fine.
Hmm.
Does fade color override do anything? I feel like it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
That's
If it's set, it changes the color of the exit fade into the tile-like thing.
oh, okay.
So if you were to set that to like white or
Yeah,
red or
yeah,
something,
I see.
yeah.
So I probably should have used
yeah.
that instead of manually changing all of them, but you know, whatever.
Mainly changing all the what?
All the gradient textures in here.
Wait, how did what?
It's just right
Did the
here.
exits have a?
Yep.
Oh, doesn't wait. I'm fairly sure. Doesn't that not fuck with the first level's exits?
No, just make it unique and it's fine.
Oh no, brother. That's why I set up the thing so you could change the color.
Yeah, well, I didn't know that. I mean, this still works.
There's also there's the floor wide one, which is the
Oh, is there?
rainy floor.
You never told me
floor
that.
Rain. Yeah, I did.
It's fine.
Yeah, there's this thing right here.
Like, I'm gonna remember that.
Yeah, there's this
So
thing
if
which
I
is,
reset these back, it should.
Should, yes.
Okay.
Hopefully. I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, we're gonna find out for sure.
I like how you're resetting all of them instead of just like one of them. What are you doing? Why are you pasting?
Because this is the regular. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
So okay, click on hold up before you go anywhere. All right.
What?
Here's what you can do. Click on the gradient. You see how there's like the four like divisions, the like second or third one of those two. You can click on that. Click on that. Grab the color. Grab the hex value down there. What?
Where?
Why would you do that? Why would you ever drag the fucking thing you...
What are you trying to get me to do? I don't know what you want me to do.
Press escape. Press escape right now. Press escape right now. Control Z. So do you want that to be the fade color, yes or no?
Yeah. No, this is the old
Okay.
one. I wanted to reset it, so
Okay.
it's the regular.
Oh, so you copy and paste it? You could just hit the unique arrow
It didn't,
or whatever.
it didn't have that thing.
Oh, weird. Also, hello to MVP.
So these look fine. Level.
Yeah. Did you change the color on the rainy ones?
Yeah, there we go. They work. Oop, why did it... Okay, I guess I'm fighting now.
I said click on the thing at the bottom with the hex code and you just grabbed the color and dragged it somewhere random. And in the color picker, there's like a thing at the bottom that's just the color of the...
Yeah.
Or the thing in a hex value.
So wait, why did it...
Why is this? What's up?
I don't know.
Why did what?
Yeah, this one's start. And then if I go to... this one. This one's also start, but only one of them. Oh, because I didn't assign the enemy spawn handler. But we don't actually want that. We want you to be the start. Kill the enemy spawn handler. We should make it that even if it does have an enemy spawn handler, it doesn't actually spawn them unless it's like an enemy room. Because all the rooms have an enemy spawn handler by default, I think.
Do they? They might.
The base room component does, or base room, whatever you
That
call
does,
it.
yeah.
Let's try this.
Yeah, we can add that.
And honestly, just thinking about trailer stuff more, I think the song that we have that's in game right now actually wouldn't make terrible trailer music.
Maybe. I don't know.
I mean, I don't know what better there is though.
I mean, it's mainly just like it's a good song. It's like because usually for a trailer you'd want something that like changes over time a little bit, I guess, with like more like coordination with the trailer.
Maybe a little bit, but oh, the rain sounds stop when you let's make this not possible. Guess I could just change it here.
What in the fuck?
How do I change that?
You can set their
process
mode to... Yeah.
Because I don't think there's going to be any... It's not going to update in real time. I don't think there's any cases where it's going to be trying to loop stuff, and we don't want it to when you pause. And maybe, now that I think about it, I don't know. Figure that out.
Okay, I'm gonna give up on fucking with this eyeball thing, and
that's probably a good idea.
I'm just gonna call it. Because
it's still pausing.
There's a lot of random things in it that are like the whole state machine of the eyeball is handled and like split between two components, kinda.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, let me look at my list. Damage values are broken like collection page. Let's fix that. Display card. You just grab the values from it, don't you? I thought. You hella do. So is the issue that damage isn't set? It's called it all console and
we could also just try adjusting like the acceleration and stuff on the eyeball and see if that makes a big difference.
Okay, so there's nothing yet. If I open this up, there's 6 prints right here. Okay, there are. I think it's just the damage isn't being set. Which I guess makes sense. However, the mana is being set and the charges are being set, so I don't know why. Oh, duh.
By the way, I added the UFO as a card. It doesn't do anything, so don't try to use it. I just added it so that way you can like see it in the list of cards for the Steam page.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Wait, what? Who is... Oh, that's funny. I didn't know that. Oh, I guess I did. Actually, damage is stored as a float on the card, which is very funny. What's up? Where'd you crash up? Oh, progress bar shit. Oh, because I didn't.
Progress bar.
Fuck, yeah, I forgot to change it to use the shader now.
Okay, well,
Oopsies.
That's okay. Yep, that works. I'm going to close all scenes because I have too many things open.
Okay, there we go. Damage is there. Cool, so that's fixed. Only spawn enemies in enemy rooms. Let's do that. Although, well... Actually, yeah, that's probably fine. It's called roombase.gd, yeah. Let me make sure this doesn't break something random. The answer is it probably will. As is many things, always. Also, let me kill these prints. Oh yeah, that was a to-do that you wanted me to look at. Oh, I should also make the enemies drop through platforms at some point, huh? Specifically the fire walking around dude.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, 6-0 gravity card. Does this work? Did I make this work yet?
We're both so good at like starting working on things and then like just forgetting about them.
Because there's so many things to work on.
Yeah, this is true.
Why the fuck did that? That was funny. Also, there's no way you can't make it up here, buddy. Oh, you hella can. Oh, you can't make it further, duh. There's an enemy on my screen. Oh, it's the slime that's over there, right? Yeah. Oh, there's 2 slimes there, because I made them hella stupid. So boss will break because he's broken, but does the room break? The answer is no. Okay, sick. I'm gonna call that fine enough for now, for the time being. It looks like enemies don't, that they're all spawning correctly. Shit. What was the thing that I wanted to do just now?
I don't know.
Look at my thing. The worm guy? What would we want to do with the worm enemy? Do we want to keep him do we want his attack to be kind of the same, just be better indicated?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Can do that.
The main thing is, I'm trying to think about his attacks now. Making it more clear, and also, we probably want to restructure his scene because it's so bad, because I made it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know, I can see this over here, though.
Guys, look at this. Oh, you can't see it because my music's in the way. You can still see it. It's so big that you can see it.
It's actually so insane to me that this is the fucking way that this is set up. Man.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it. Let me try something really quickly. I just want to give this guy an indicator that's in front of him. Did we also want to change the indicators to be on that global flashing time, like what Voidago does?
Yes, I would. That would be nice.
Okay, can do that. Why is there a box there? Who are you and where did you come from? It's just a box. Who are you? Oh, okay.
What is Arrival?
What is Arrival?
Let's see. Meow. Type shit.
Meow, 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 meow.
Okay. That's
A bad game.
Yeah. It's kind of true, honestly. It was your bad game. Genghis Khan. Oh, that looks weird with no tracks on it. Bizarre.
Bizarre.
I probably want this to actually start like here. Wait, why can't I? There we go. Is there not like a snap thing that allows me to snap this? Whatever.
Oh,
Hi, Callie.
Hi, Kelly.
Hey, sweet girl. She's on the bed behind me, looking at me.
What a goober.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. That, like, jump scared me. I forgot that you can change the animation length by, like, clicking on the timeline now. Actually, if this is attached to the guy, then... Yeah. Yeah. I forget how do I make this show. Do I call a method on this at all? Or do I just, like... Does it just work? I don't remember what this does, so we're gonna find out, I guess.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, no, that's kind of terrible. Ass cheeks. I don't know how to make things look good sometimes. And by sometimes, I mean, like, most of the time.
That's where I come in. Just kidding, I don't know how to make things not look bad either.
Let me also make these use the global timer thing that I was talking about. Attack indicator.gd. Why did I spawn that guy as if he's ever the one that I wanted to be in here? Get out of here, dude. Burn time. Oh. Okay, maybe eyeball guys actually find you because they're both fucked up for some reason.
Break it.
No.
No.
Maybe.
No.
Maybe.
No. Alright, twin. Let's see how it is, twin.
It goes
Hello,
transparent for some reason.
Foul mill.
Ooh, I know
What is that little guy dancing around? Throw the wiggling.
Chibli, Chibli. Sorry.
Alright.
The motherfuckers never watched fucking Chibli.
Yeah, I've never watched Ghibli. Why would I do that? Kind of gross.
Okay, that looks like that might work. Probably. I don't know how often we should make it flash though, and I also don't think this updates in real time. Maybe it does. It does, yeah. Cool, that does work, I guess. I don't know if that's what we like, but it works. And then worm guy, worm man, worm dude. What the hell are you doing? Do I remake Worm Guy today? Like, what is this even doing? Why is this a scene?
Honestly, I don't think so. Right now I want to focus on, like...
Yeah...
Well, I mean, I'm obviously focusing on stuff ready for the trailer.
What should I focus on? What do you feel like is most important that I can get the most mileage out of? That's like shit. How long does this guy aim for? He aims for like 3 seconds. You know what, dog? Hold this fucking 3-second wind up time. Oh, that was cool.
Do you have the melee enemies going through platforms? Because you could add that, maybe.
I do not. Yeah, I can do that.
And honestly, you could make the indicators nice for all the current enemies, so that way it'd look nice for a trailer. If you haven't yet.
Yeah.
I mean, I like that.
Yeah,
That looks
we can-
cool.
It looks cool except for the way that it... I really don't like the disappearing part of it.
Yeah.
I might just make it, like, very quickly, like, just pop out of existence instead of doing this fucking weird-ass sliding thing that
Yeah.
it's doing. Like, just,
I
like,
would try having it
collapse
slide
yourself.
the other way, because like that would make logical sense. Of like, he's moving forward, so the back end of it would go in.
Let's see, yeah, may have.
So if you make it the right speed, the end would stay stationary and the front would come forwards.
If I make it the right speed. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen. Because then I have to time it with the dash going through.
Yeah, just move it back a little bit. The whole thing needs to go back.
Timing.
No. The middle part needs to go back. Yeah, there you go, twin.
Oh, that was a very cool animation.
Yeah, that was a very cool
Seconds
animation. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's fine enough. I do kind of want to make it shrink as well, though, so that it shrinks down. May have to see what that looks like. Just curious.
I think it looked better before.
Yeah.
I can also
So
adjust these as well if you don't want to. As long as the animations like exist. I really like how they look now.
Oh, there we go. Yeah,
The Knuckle Sandwich, I forgot about that game. I forgot that's the music we're listening to. I haven't actually played it, I just really like the music because it's so goofy and weird. Oh my bad, I should have video on screen while he's messing with the
if you want to take a look at this, by the way, I made it so all of the indicators flash at the same time.
Oh, that looks so nice. It looks so much better.
And the color can
It does look a little bit like a Void Igo ripoff, but I don't care, it looks good.
A little bit, yeah.
I mean,
like we could make it gold instead if we wanted.
No, I think it's okay. It works, like, I don't see why we need to change it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like, it's not like they copyrighted
gold...
red and white flashing.
Actually, the gold does look kind of cool, though. Yeah, I don't know. They're both cool. Oh,
what is it with people in our chat and having random weird emojis or emotes?
What do you mean random weird emojis?
Emotes, whatever
That's
they're called.
Like the entirety of fucking Twitch.
Okay,
that's
well,
just, like,
I
default.
don't use Twitch, so.
I'll be back really, really quickly.
Okay, Twin. Wait a second.
Okay, I'm back. Let me find the... I'll do Fire Goober spawn. I'll have him also use the enemy indicators rather than the line thing he was doing. Is this the line that he was using? I think. I don't know. I kind of hate that he can start charging at you and then he can just kind of cancel it sometimes, and I don't know when or how that works. But it's like weird. Do you know what I mean? Do you see what I mean?
Wait, what? I don't know.
This guy can sometimes... He can sometimes just cancel his charge. Like he's charging at me, but then I'm pretty sure and it stops.
Yeah. I think it's if you go out of view, he sometimes does. I thought maybe you added that. Maybe I added that. I don't know. Either way, yeah, we can probably just get rid of it and make his charge like faster or something. Maybe you could tweak him if you want. That's something that probably wouldn't be hard to tweak. Because that's mostly just changing numbers.
Yeah, and he actually has states and things
and
such. A line ray? What the fuck is line ray? I don't know. I don't care. What the fuck is shape? I don't know. I don't care. I don't know. I don't care. What would his indicators look like? Probably also just a rectangle, if we're being honest.
I think that works. Just like longer because he's probably going to go very far.
Yeah.
I think somewhere he does detect how far he's gonna go. So you could maybe try to make the length based off of that, but that might be too far. I don't know.
Yeah, he has some shit that he does, but it's not
You don't have. You could just do it set amount.
Yeah,
that's fine. Because yeah, that would be weird. Because then if he's like right up against a wall, it'd be like really short. I don't like that. I think it should just be a set length.
Excuse me. Yeah.
And we can always change that later. I just want to have something.
Ew. Ew.
Ew.
Ew. That looks gross.
What did you do?
I did something gross. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
I'm very worried about it, actually.
No, dude. Don't be worried about it. No, dude. Don't worry. It's chill, bro. What's your favorite Napcast song?
I don't know.
Oh, there's my desktop. Okay. All right. Well, we get to play the game now. All right. Your screen is going on screen.
Oh.
As
Why?
Untangle my mess of everything. Because Windows really likes to put... Yeah, there we go. So Discord went to my main screen, which was cool.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah. Not that there's anything on there I don't want people to see, but I just would rather...
Sure.
Yeah, no, there's nothing terrible in there. It's like I just gotta click through all of my windows and look for anything that... I need to pull everything back up. Because Windows doesn't like keeping things on the same monitor. Okay, there we go. Alright, we're back. What's your favorite Napcast song, though?
I don't know. I did notice that they I was looking for songs to add to my playlist for streaming, and that was some Napcast songs were in there. I didn't add them because I just it was just recommended. It wasn't like when I was actively looking for it. I just noticed that they were recommended. I probably should add some, but because I imagine they're good,
Napcast.
Given that you like them and you sometimes like good music.
Yeah, only sometimes. Though.
Only sometimes,
not often.
yeah, not often. Only sometimes.
Thank you for saying.
Like,
this motherfucker loves saying exactly the same thing as me, like a few times.
do. I'm good at that. Actually.
First God has echolalia as fuck.
What?
And that's a sign of autism. Just letting you know.
Okay.
It's a symptom of autism, not a symptom. Symptom's the wrong word, kind of, but like not really. It's like kind of the right word, kind of not the right word. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean, twin.
Yeah, twin. Twin Jones. Huh?
Huh?
What are you talking about, dude? This is so weird. I don't know why this, like... This lines up perfectly. And fine. Oh. Where the fuck did that keyframe go? Oh, welcome back. Where's that? Passive star, what the hell? Whenever I click on a keyframe, it disappears from my timeline.
Oh, that's pretty fun.
That's actually really weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Whatever. Oh, I'm stupid because I didn't set this back to 0. There we go. Yeah, there we go. I found it. Kind of. Charge at me, you beast.
Yeah, he definitely needs to be faster. Even with the indicator, he feels so slow.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, you mean charge time wise?
No, like his speed, like how fast he moves. I mean, maybe the charge time too, but...
That's funny. If he slams into a wall, he keeps going in the slope direction despite the indicator doing the indicator thing. Let's see. How easy was it to change his speed? I don't remember. We include this in the stats.
Maybe?
I don't
probably
think so.
movement speed, yeah.
I don't think so, because I think that's his...
Oh, yeah, that's
generic,
that.
just
That's
like
speed, yeah.
Attack range is kind of funny, but... Assuming
Attack
it's
speed, yeah, that's probably it. That's almost certain it, actually.
Drop leather? Sure. Rise 5? Yeah. Set this to like 2500 and see what this looks like. It might be funny. Ooh.
Yeah, that's like way nicer looking. Yeah, I like that. Should be like scary. We should probably make it that if he hits a wall though, that it gets rid of his hitbox at least.
It should. Ouch. Damn.
Yeah, exactly. It's scary now.
I guess I can see whenever his hitbox is active, actually. Also, what the fuck is doing this print statement? Somewhere. It's me from... Yeah, here we go. Found it.
Bro was about to blame me for it. That's crazy.
No, I knew it was me, because it was too much, like, number. You wouldn't be printing a number like that.
You're right.
This motherfucker only prints text. I print numbers.
Yep.
And that's the main difference. Can you fucking hurry up and charge at me, please? Oh, I should also disable his shapecast, so I don't want to see the shapecast.
Cast more like Napcast.
Yeah, so if he hits a wall, the hitbox turns off, because it's based on how fast he's going.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I like that then.
What if, this is so stupid. What if whenever he dashed, he, like, bounced off the wall a little bit.
We could totally do that. I mean, that's kind of like what the bullets do in Gun, or not, yeah, the fast bullet guys,
Yeah.
you know, where they go like boing and get kind of stunned.
What the fuck? Wait, did this motherfucker's moving so fast now all of a sudden? What did I do? I did something wrong. Oh, because I'm calling move inside twice in here. Also, where the fuck is this dash? Is this a separate component that gets added? It very well may be. Oh no, it's not. Weird. Oh shit, dude.
It would honestly be kind of funny
really
if we like turned him into a rigid body or something, and he just kind of like bounces around with physics and then like recovers.
Yeah, and then he shakes it off a little bit and starts flying again. Honestly, wait, no, I totally could because we have a generic like just move like a physics body controller that we can attach to things for a certain amount of time.
Or do we?
Wait a minute, yeah, we have a ragdoll driver. Ragdoll. Wow, that's fun. That's actually so fucking cool. That almost works. Dude, he's so good at writing himself back up.
That something's definitely not right there. Why did bro have no gravity?
I know what's going on. Wait, no.
I just realized the worm's particles are gonna be messed up on other levels. When he like digs through the ground.
What do you mean? Oh, because he, yeah.
Yeah, because they're like red.
Yeah, we can change that. It's fine. It's like easy enough to change.
Yeah, no, it shouldn't be too hard. Why are my drop 2 platforms not working?
Do you remember whenever we had to remove Rapier as the physics engine because of
that
the
was
platforms?
very funny.
That was a good time. I'm glad that we did, though.
Yeah.
Because Rapier had a lot of issues with the Godot integration, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yup.
Why do you not work? Oh, probably because I forgot to set the collision layers to actually do anything. Very nice. Good job, me.
You're... Why the fuck does he sit in the... Sometimes it ragdolls and sometimes it doesn't, and I don't understand what doesn't cause it to do that. Oh, is it because he has no gravity? No. Yes, maybe it is. Does he have gravity? Did we specifically say you don't have gravity for some reason? No. Oh, I kind of know what's going on. I see. It's because he doesn't leave the state all, like, consistently.
Alright, I'm gonna put you on screen. I need to run to the restroom real quick. I drank too much Dr. Pepper earlier.
Damn.
As per usual.
Evil.
Be right
Yeah.
back.
Good luck. this. But this returns a boolean, right? Yeah. If target moving slide and it's stacking. Guess I do that. Hmm? So I think what's happening there is annoying shit. Okay, that works. That's fun. That's cool.
Okay, I'm back.
Check this out, JW.
What am I checking out? Beautiful. Now I'll probably just want to make him rotate.
How do you want to make him rotate?
Probably just like randomly. Based on like the...
Ooh, that was funny actually. I just noticed something evil. Which is his hitbox is active the entire time because he's moving fast enough. Not the entire time.
Not
but
100% measure on rotation. It's not a rigid body, right? So you can't just like make
Nope.
it automatically do that. Okay.
No, that's just him.
Yeah.
He just his legs get broken for like 2 seconds.
I'm not sure there's be an easy way to calculate like the rotation based on like...
Ouch. Damn, bro, he just smacked
What
the
he's doing.
fuck out of
I
me
don't
on
know.
his drive-by. Evil.
Because I mean, obviously with like a rigid body, you just rotate automatically and do do stuff, you know. But
Yeah.
we don't got that here.
I need to figure out why the hell this motherfucker is canceling his charge up every now and then, because he shouldn't be allowed to do that.
I'm pretty sure it's something with line of sight. I know. I'm pretty sure that might be what the.
It 100% is line of sight related, but it's not like line of sight, like promised. You know, like
Yeah.
you can see that like sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, and
Sometimes it does.
Motherfucker, dude, he hit me with the Lorena dash attack. Holy shit.
I don't know.
He
what
came down from the
Lorena's
top
dash
rope with his
is.
fucking it's the one where she like dives off the stage with her elbow out.
Oh yeah.
And she just a hitbox the entire time she's falling. Oh. What the fuck is that name? Hey, Titanic Cunnilingus. How's it going? You're completely new to game deving. JW, you don't even know what that word means.
Yeah, I'm just laughing.
Is that correct?
Because you're laughing.
Okay.
I'm just assuming it's funny. You know.
Yeah. So some of the videos on Godot. We're wondering how optimization works for game deving and whether Godot lends itself for it. It does. So Godot's optimization is really good because you have a couple of places that you can figure out what the issue is. Like our game had some optimization issues a while back, and it was really hard to figure out what the problem was, except we have a couple things that we can do. So the first thing is like you want to find out whether it's CPU bound or GPU bound, obviously. Like those are the two main, like whether we're bottlenecking on graphics or on logic. So Godot offers a way to figure that out in the form of the profiler. So if you go into the debugger while you're running the game and go to profiler, well, first off, you can see these graphs, which are really handy for showing how long frames take to process. So if I uncap my frame rate, you can see that I'll reach pretty high frames. And so if there's anything that I do that ends up like killing the frame rate, like I can find out if spawning all of these dudes ends up killing the frame rate or not. And the answer is kinda, but not really. Like a little bit, kind of. But you'll know that if it's a CPU bound issue, if you go into the profiler, or I guess first if it shows up as an issue here, but you can find out where that issue is. If you hit the profiler, you can do things in your game. And then once you're done, you can stop the profiler and you can take a look at the individual frame times and it'll tell you like what caused the spikes. So if there was like a script that was running a lot, like here it is, you can see like what's causing the most issues. So right now I can see because I have 235 dummies on screen, the most common like thing that causes issues right now is the physics process function of this thing, which fair enough. That makes sense. I wonder what that's doing. Idle time, otherwise. Okay, yeah, so we're setting a label every single frame. Maybe. You know what? Let's optimize that really quickly. I could probably do this. If idle time is less than recent time, that otherwise we do that once, and then like I could do something like set physics process else, and then also turn that back on here. So like so, I think. I would imagine that would still work. Let's find out. Let's find a dummy that I can actually read the damage of. 3. And then... Oh, well that's... whatever. That does some weird shit. Whatever. But you can see now, like, that function call is, like, not on here anymore. So it's really nice to be able to figure that out. But also, the biggest issue with our game was rendering. And I can show you how that looked if I... Oh, actually, I can show you that here. So I was under the visual profiler. You can turn that on, and it will tell you how long it takes to draw a frame, which is really nice. It's also really nice to be able to tell what actually makes a difference. So taking a look at the remote tab, I can take a look at like what we currently have in the scene. And this may be a little hard to read, but it's basically just like the higher its spikes are, the more the frame time is. But if I go ahead and say like, turn off the rendering of, say, let me go in here really quickly. Let's turn off the rendering of all the tile map. Did that make a notable difference? Kind of. You can see that there's like a little drop here. It's not noticeable, but a little bit. Okay, so let's try leaving the tile map on and turning off, let's say, the background or the foreground. Not a really noticeable difference. Let's turn off the particles. Not really noticeable. I believe the one that did make a big difference is turning off the background. Maybe not. Oh no, there was a decent jump here. Oh, sorry, I was looking at the CPU time. There's a decent jump here. So if I turn back on the background, which is this node, you'll see that there's a decent jump, which tells me that the background was causing lag. And what we ended up having to do was turn down the render scale of the game. So if I turn this down, like so, you'll see that there is a very large difference. So this is our baseline on medium, and then it jumps back up to here on high. And then you can also pause this and take a look, like this render time is, you know, however much. Looks like 1.7 millisecond, or sorry, 2.3 milliseconds versus 1.3. So it's really nice to be able to figure out like where the actual like bottleneck is. Much better than some of the other engines I've worked with. Also, yeah, no problem. So, that's so funny. Hold up, what is your name? Fallmill. That's funny that you didn't realize you watched my videos. I get that a lot. That happens a lot. And now I work on a game with JW here.
Hello, Faz Gang.
Hello, Faz Gang. What are you doing over there?
Levels.
Oh yeah, you can rotate scene tiles now. That's fucking sick.
Well, these aren't scene
That's
tiles.
like a new thing this
but
update,
yeah.
right? What?
These aren't scene tiles, but yeah.
Oh, I guess not, yeah. But you can rotate scene tiles now, which is really cool.
You can, which is really cool.
I don't know why I spawned that guy as if I was ever doing anything with him. Why does that... Why does that stay in the level for so long?
Is what? Because the explosion is connected to him, I think. There's something that's connected to him that lasts a while. It might be the
Cheap viewers, get out of here.
At least it's
They're
not
back,
just
dude.
viewers.
Fuck. It's not just viewers. What the hell? Viewers. Please. Not best viewers, not cheap viewers, just viewers.
That one was very funny.
Let's see. So let me fix this because that was broken because I'm stupid. Yeah, here's what the current enemy looks like. Let me actually turn off the collision. So fire group respawn looks like this now. So he'll charge up his little indicator, and then he'll bounce bounce all around. And I need to... Jesus. Yeah, I need to edit this so he doesn't have a hitbox whenever he's flying anymore. Let's see. Oh, that's actually really easy to do. There we go. That works actually really well. I just made it so he doesn't have a hurt box if he no longer has like the charging as his active movement driver. Because I was smart and made it so that I have a flag on the movement drivers on whether or not it's the one that's currently driving the thing. I wonder.
Is it possible to make him bounce like a little less?
Yeah.
Or like slow down more.
It's possible to make him bounce like way less.
Like I think you should more just like stick in the same spot, kind of like fall down. Like I think right now he's keeping a lot of his velocity.
Yeah.
I think it should decay a lot.
Yeah, I can change it so he. Yeah, I can make it so he bounces less. I can make it so he just has less of his velocity going into it.
I think
like
just
I can
less
make it
of
so
his
he
velocity going into it probably be good.
Yeah. Yeah, I can make it so it does that.
Okay.
He's just got like a. Maybe I should actually. What is get last slide collision return again?
Am I getting invited to deadlock again?
Why do you have Steam not set to offline?
Because I'm lazy.
That's true.
Don't tell him I don't actually
oh, this actually.
Ooh. I do not want my candles to wave in the wind. Thank you very much.
Have a normal. It gets normal. Sorry. Do you have standard stream time days? Yes, we stream on Tuesday and Thursday and Sunday. Tuesday and Thursday is at 6:30 p.m. EST, or about 2 hours ago. And Sunday streams are at 2:30 p.m. EST, or about 6 hours ago. I should schedule more streams on my channel instead of scheduling them like the day of.
Yeah, I like.
Imagine that.
Not too. I've gotten out of the habit of scheduling them.
I fucked up, and he goes absolutely flying. I actually made him fly way more.
Nice. It's beautiful.
Which wasn't supposed to, but it's very funny. Let's see.
Okay, I'm pretty happy with this room. Try it out and see how it looks in game. I do think if it's not too much work, some kind of automation stuff for making levels would be really great. Because I am doing a lot of like auto decorating and like auto placing decoration, and maybe that would be too hard to do. Because like I guess a lot of this is, I don't know.
It is just kind of tile map stuff,
yeah.
But
because
like,
a lot of it I
do
think through. Like I was thinking, oh, we can just have it like pick a random spot on the wall and put this, but like a lot of it is like, oh, this one is this distance away from a similar thing. There's a lot of stuff I'm thinking through. through it. So I don't want to be like just completely random, but maybe it's fine.
Yeah, I mean, it'd be cool. I don't think it's like a terrible
Like how
request.
this
I just
looks.
don't know what it would be. Kinda.
I forgot to set the navigation region, I think.
Okay. What is causing you to cancel out of this fucking thing? How are you doing this? How are you getting out of here? Charging equals false input of charging? What the fuck are you talking about, dude?
Yeah, I'm happy with how this looks. I added like some wooden drop-through platforms for this area, which I actually like. That's a nice contrast. Actually, I really like this level.
I can't wait to have a level that isn't just made of all the same red.
Yeah.
God, I can't wait to not have red.
Just need more rooms. I'm trying to think what other decorative tiles I can use around here.
Who is saying can cancel? End can cancel. Sorry, what? This should be being called like immediately.
I feel like these banners might make like a smaller banner too. Another one of those arches. There. Oh, maybe it's back. Oh, no, it is. Sorry.
Holy shit, he's fucking funny. He's very funny now. Oh, he canceled out of the fucking thing, dude. But he's very funny. I'll give him that.
Yeah, it's definitely better.
Yeah, why is he doing that? In what world? You know what? How about this? How about this, buddy? Oh, that's Korean all of a sudden. Oops. You caught me at a very Korean time of my life.
Fire? I mean, when the navigation region isn't big enough to fit the whole level. Let's try this again. There we go. Very nice.
I actually got this by chance. Didn't know I streamed. Oh yeah, I could put it on the channel description. Yeah, I should also just like schedule the streams more so that they show up. Because I usually just forget to schedule them until we're about to go live, and I'm like, ah, fuck. Also, yeah, working with Godot is really fun. Do you have like a game that you want to make with it, or are you just like you're just making it? Change the true. Change the true. Change the false. Oh. What?
I really like the rain area, actually. So I think I'll make probably only like 2 to 3 rooms for each. Probably don't even need that many for the trail. I probably only need like 1 or 2. But
You should make 6 or 7.
yeah, you're right. You're right.
This guy's so funny. We need funny enemies. I think that should be like our focus. We just need funny dudes. How am I making this guy rotate? What rotates him? Who's handling the rotation? And what are we rotating? It's just rotating the fucking thing. I mean, I guess I could do that. Ragdoll driver. Rotation. Pulse. Enabled, and I would like to do what? What do I make this do? Like, I could just make the... Target dot rotation equal to target dot velocity dot angle, perhaps? I wonder what that'll do. Will that look stupid? The answer is it doesn't look at all, because I forgot to set the variable to true.
Fire.
Wait, that's so funny. This motherfucker just turned into a salmon. But he definitely shouldn't. Make this a random rotation, actually. I think I would like that instead. So I could do something that's like it'll randomly rotate like let's see. I should just say like util.randAssign Man, I want to play Deadlock.
Oh, it's only 8:30.
Okay, what about it? I'm allowed to yearn. Ain't nothing wrong with a little yearning.
Alright.
Did I make this guy? Did I enable this on? I did. Random rotation is true. If random rotation is enabled, rotational velocity is that. Great. Console.print target.rotation. Does this actually change? He moves like a pinball. He fucking does, and I love it. I love him for that. Oh, he's like, yeah, no, that's way too low. So like, because that's per second. So let's say he can do like a full flip. Also, you watched a good chunk of game dev and game design videos. As far as you know, attempting to recreate games like Pong, Mario, or other simple retro ones are good practice to step into game dev. True. I'm tapping the sign.
Roots nuke. Sorry.
I'm tapping the sign. I'm tapping the sign. Why'd you say truth nuke, you fucking
I don't know.
There's a
It's
Jimmy
all
Aquaman
Jimmy's
little-
fault. I'm sorry.
Oh, shit. Shit, my frame rate is still uncapped from earlier.
I'm sorry.
I realized
I'm
whenever I
sorry.
went...
Please forgive me. Okay.
I realized because I went to open a new page in Firefox, and it took like 5 seconds, and I was like, that's weird. And I realized because my graphics card was getting maxed out by Dante's 9. If you do need retro game inspirations, may I suggest the 20 game challenge? This one's a really good one. If you just want like a simple list of like going from like the simplest to less simple and so on. But you can really start wherever you want. But if you need like a direction, this one's really good. The 20 games challenge.
The 20 games.
It's actually only 10 games. Dude, 20 games challenge, look inside 10 games.
What?
Yep.
Oh.
Well, it's because like there's like 10 games and each of them has 2 choices, so it's 20 games, but it's, you know. Random range 360 versus 180 to 480 or so, we'll say. That may be funny. That may be funny. He may go from like spinning a little bit to like spinning hella fast. Yeah, he does. He kind of does. He's a little funky with it. GW, can you look at this, please?
Give me a second. I'm looking. Here we go. That's fire.
I love the way that he doesn't tumble in any way that makes sense. He kind of just tumbles.
Yeah.
And it's like, that's kind of exactly what you want
Yeah.
from him to be like just a goober. He's so stupid.
Yeah. I definitely think.
Yeah.
I think you should still.
Oh, dude, that was sick. Did you see that? Sorry,
I think
what'd you
you
say?
should still slow down a little bit more. He should come to like close
Okay.
to a stop before recovering because it's
part?
really hard to tell. His deceleration should be a lot higher.
I see.
Like he should slow down really fast, so that way he can kind of
Yeah, I
just
can do
like
that.
bounce to a stop and then get back up.
Bounce to a. Sorry, my fault. There's this thing. Yeah, I could do like this and then make the friction like quite a bit higher, so that he actually does lose most of his velocity whenever he bounces. Ooh, that
Very
was
interesting.
funky a little bit. Very much so. Oh, where the fuck did you go? Oh, there you go. Hi, dude.
Something's weird with the rotation, but it's like.
Yeah, it's
better.
because he's colliding many times over and over.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know this is called friction strength. Did I actually mean friction strength whenever I set this? Like, does he... Like, does it mean friction or does it mean no friction? Because I can't tell.
Is there a way to
what do I
like make
use?
him decelerate in the air? Because like right now he has like very high air movement.
Sorry, what was your question?
Is there a way to make him like decelerate through the air or not?
Oh, I could just like make him not like have much acceleration whenever he actually bounces off the wall.
Yeah, that's probably better.
It's like, well, that's... Ooh, that looked...
Like maybe
Kinda
less,
terrible.
but yeah.
Yeah, ignore him like flailing around on the ground. Don't worry about it.
I'm not worrying about. I'm worrying about it so much right now.
He's worried about it so much. Like, what did I have this at before? Was it 0.25? It was 0.5. Okay, I see. Let's try like a 0.3, so that whenever he like bounces off the wall, like already he loses most of that speed. Honestly, I think that's kind of fine.
Yeah, that's better.
To be honest, to have him go from like not moving, or like to have him go from like kind of tumbling into like flying around again. I think that's
Yeah.
fine.
And we could probably set his rotation based on his velocity. Like if he's moving right,
So-
he'll rotate right.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. I just have him like... Yeah, you're right.
But I guess it also depends on what he's hitting, now that I think about it, but we can try that. That's better at least, yeah. I would also make him rotate on his first hit, if that's possible.
Oh, yeah. It's funny because this is the same code that the fucking player uses, by the way.
That's very funny.
But the player doesn't have any of these things enabled, so he just like does normal player stuff.
Yeah, that's much better. Oh, interesting. Bro, clip the corner.
I think it's because he hit the corner.
Yeah. That's definitely
There's
better,
that
yeah.
dead
I like
movement.
that. That's very good.
Dude, yeah, no, he's kind of sick with it. That's so funny.
Now we see like some particles or something when he hits the
Oh,
wall.
whenever he hits the wall and he just poof.
Yeah, and then
What are all those numbers
some
on the
kinda
left? That's
sound.
his I believe I have that set to his rotation.
You
I think
probably
it's
just use
printing
like
out
one of the
what his rotation
Kenny
is.
impact sounds for the sound.
Probably, I'll leave that for you.
Okay. Then,
I'll just put
yeah.
like a little export in here that's
Yeah, that works.
export bar
Let me put that in my to-do list somewhere where I'll remember to do that.
Oh, don't worry, you don't need to. I'm preloading in the explosion sound, so you're gonna know that it's happening.
Okay, thank you. Honestly, that's actually a good idea. Wherever there's a sound that I need to add, just put the most annoying sound ever and I will instantly change it.
Wait, you're so right.
Hello. Hello.
Is that real time?
Yeah, real. Audio stream or audio manager. The sound random pitch spatial wall sound position global position pitch range. Sure, all these are default, right? All these can be default. Didn't play it, by the way. Also, I don't know if your question was like, what are the numbers on the left, or like what's printing them. I would recommend for anyone who's making a game to put debug tools in, and one of the debug tools I added to this game was an on-screen console, so that you don't have to tab out and check the output every single time something happens. Very, very big fan of it. He's not playing the sound. Is it because I thought you fixed all of these, this motherfucker. The default volume for this is 0.
Don't worry about it, Twin.
Whatever, dude. Oh, you were wondering what the numbers meant? Okay, yeah. Yeah. Tis but a rotation in space, I think. Let me actually check. I'm sure that it's being printed somewhere. I've been recently. Ragdoll driver? Yeah. So it's just what the rotation of the body is. It's just that it's in radians, so it doesn't look like anything meaningful, but if I put it in degrees, it'll probably look like numbers you're more familiar with. Yeah, that's like a bit more. Also, that's funny. It does... JW, can you... I'm gonna pause my music. Can you...
Give me a second, I need to... Here we go.
Hello.
The random variation. It's so peak.
Hello.
Dude, I don't know if I'll ever make that sound again in my life, and if I don't, I'll be so sad. I'm mogging myself
It's
constantly, dude.
beautiful. Get muted.
I'm gonna make
Twin.
the audio variation like really high now, because I want to see what that's like.
It's gonna be so bad, Twin.
It's kind of fire. Okay. Okay, we're done with that. Oh, damn, that one actually, like, kind of hurt a little bit. Oh, shit, dude, he's... Oh, dude, look at him go! Dude, he's rolling weird right now.
Oh, very nice.
That's kind of sick. Do you want to know why he's doing that?
No,
Because I know why he's doing that. He's doing that because, I have an await right here.
The real question is, are you getting a spiky variant with permanent contact damage? No, we are not doing that. We are avoiding contact damage as much as possible.
We are kind of avoiding contact damage.
If there is an enemy with contact damage, though, it will be covered in spikes.
Yes, it will be very clear that that motherfucker's going to hurt you. Dude, let him go. You should be able to hit a button, and it puts you into a little rhythm game.
True.
Just because I feel like it. Okay, so that guy does fun things now. Let me actually, I'm gonna play through and see what it's like to have that guy enabled like that right now. I love 6/8 time signature.
I love 6/7.
Dude, I was watching wait. Oh, I forgot that I put the word exhaust in the description of the rapier. Just for funsies.
Nice.
Let me fix that now.
Yeah, I love when Biddy adds random things and then never removes.
No, because what I do is I'm like, dude, I want to show you this like cool thing, and then I show it to you, and then I just don't remove it.
Yep. Many such cases.
Should also make this say like you don't have a key or need a key, but
yeah, we should also remove.
Jarvis, nuked him first home 67 times. That's true. Oh yeah, I was watching a Deadlock video earlier.
Or you could just add like key drops.
Oh shit! Oh, that's the worm. Hello, worm. I was like, what the fuck is that box moving towards me?
Yeah.
It was the fucking worm. I forgot that he had that. Look at him go.
Honestly, that does make it kind of nice. You can see him. Where are you?
Oh, dude, they are. Yeah, that gun is squishy. What the fuck? That is nice. I like that. Do all the guns squishy now?
Most of them. I don't think they.
I really do think that we should make some way to, like, just tell something like, "Yo, dog, I want you to squish."
Yeah,
like, just squish.
I was seeing some of the pistols don't because it was harder. Or it wasn't harder. I was lazy and didn't do them because it's not as noticeable. I really like it on the op. I don't think that one does. Yeah, that one doesn't. It definitely doesn't. It 100% doesn't. It does not.
Oh, it looks like it squishes to me.
I'm gonna blow you up.
What?
What?
It's the new card. Dude, it's actually so nice that I was like, oh man, why hasn't the level ended? Surprise, bitch. Because of this dude right here. And I can tell where he's at. Because there's a little arrow that tells me. It's like, yo, dog. There's a dickhead here. Could honestly just make it, instead of it being in the corner, could make it like in the area around the player, like a little circle around him. You know what I mean? Or
Wait,
no?
for what? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention to what you said.
The enemy indicator, how it's like up there.
Oh.
Instead, it could be like it would be like right here or something, and then as he like moves, it could like rotate around him to face the correct direction.
Probably like a medium-sized circle, basically a circle that fits in the middle of the screen that doesn't isn't covered up by any UI elements would probably be best.
Yeah, because I'm like right here is getting covered up by this. Also, I noticed
that is true.
That it would get covered up by the cards at the bottom as well.
Yeah, so like something in the middle would probably
let me up the tile map. Let me up the tile map. Let me up the tile map, please. I'm climbing. I'll get there eventually. There we go. Yeah, so that gets covered by the cards right there. Kinda. It's funny how, I guess it doesn't get covered by the cards. It does. It's kind of funny that I coded it this way, that I didn't even think about it, but this actually doesn't get affected by the world scaling. So if I set this to, the shitty version, this is still full soul size.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't know. You fine with that?
Yes, it's fine. Anything that's like UI that isn't like in the world should not be affected.
Yeah. Fair enough. Dude, those webs look fucking sick, by the way, with this pixelated filter on it. I actually love that.
They look okay.
I really do like the way this game looks with the pixelated filter on it sometimes. Oh, and you know what? I can even try, not this guy. That guy we know is fine. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's... it's clear. It's clear that he's going to kill you.
Yeah.
And then...
Did you add any other
enemy.
ones, or is it just those
Yeah,
two
worm enemy.
right now? Yeah.
Oh, just those two, yeah.
Cool.
And they should also potentially merge together. Yeah, they do.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Are there secret rooms on the map? JW, are we secret rooming?
Not currently.
Well, we don't currently, yes. Are we going to?
I don't know.
I
What's
don't
the secret?
know. That's true. The
I
secret is,
really don't like how Gungeon does secret rooms, to be honest.
I don't either, for the most part. Isaac is kind of nice, because you get... I don't really know,
I don't know how Isaac does it.
I don't either, is the thing. But you kind of just get a feel for it. You're just like, yeah, there's a secret room here, and then you just bomb it, and it's like, oh yeah, that's a secret room. And I don't get it, but yeah, Gungeon's rooms are fine once you get a gun that can pop the wall, but at that point it's just kind of annoying to walk around and shoot the walls.
Yeah.
Then you waste ammo, or not a waste, you spend ammo to whatever, but yeah, I don't know.
I'm trying to think if there'd be some way to indicate that the worm goes through the ground. Because they have the same indicator, but they act differently, is what I'm thinking. So the flying guy has the big long indicator.
I was also thinking, I think the worms should probably be changed as well.
Yes, definitely. I think you're right. You're always right.
I think that the worms would make way more sense if they were less of a flying, moving around enemy, and more of they burrowed through the ground and then would dash out of the ground every now and then.
Kind of like how the boss works.
The worms work in Terraria.
Yeah, that too.
Oh. Yeah, that too.
Did you figure out the thing where they cancel off the walls, by the way? Or when they cancel their attack?
What?
The little guy.
No.
Okay.
I don't think so. Maybe I did. Yes, I did, actually. Sorry, I did.
I love the little guys so much.
No, it's actually so
good.
good.
Spawn a bunch of them, spawn a bunch of the hives. I want to see it. In Enter the Gungeon, if you walk into a wall and your character is still doing the walk animation, then you found the secret room. Otherwise, they would stop in their place. I did not know that. It's good to know, twin. Oh no.
Oh shit! I forgot to make them local scene. Oopsies! Oopsies! Oopsies!
That does look kind of sick, though.
It does look sick, but it's not
sorry, I don't
correct.
Have my screen because I'm not doing anything right now. I promise I will do things at some point.
Okay, buddy.
My bad.
You need to knock that shit off now. What's the biggest room that we have?
The biggest room that we have.
Yeah.
Probably, I don't know.
I don't think it's this one. Definitely not this one.
No, that one's not.
This one's pretty big.
Yeah, that one's fairly large. We do need more bigger rooms.
This one is maybe the biggest room that we have. Room 3. I hate this room. I hate room 5.
Yeah.
I fucking despise
I'll
room
probably
5.
redo most of
room
the rooms,
8.
to be
Room
honest.
8's a good one.
Yeah, that one's decently large. Honestly, that one, I feel like that one should be a smaller room, but it is kind of large, which means
I think
we need to make all of our
there
rooms.
should be like a drop-through platform or something here.
No, I don't think so. I think that'd be weird to have.
Because you can jump across it, but like, I guess you can't get stuck on that anymore. There was a time that you could get stuck on this little like upward area.
It's beautiful.
Can you see what's happening? Because I can't.
Yeah. But like you can actually dodge
God.
them. Like before, you would just be like, I hope I don't get hit by anything. But now it's like you just stay out of the boxes and you're fine.
That's true.
Like I really like that.
Fuck! I got hit by a bullet that I saw,
That's
and I tried to
crazy.
dodge, but I dodged right.
What if we made the bullets flash too?
Good.
Because the flashing makes it so clear that you like should not be there, and I really like it.
Yeah.
Or maybe the bullets just need to be like larger and more obvious.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, fuck. Okay, I got hit.
Hello, hello, hello.
Wait, I need to hear the audio. Hold up. Pause your music.
Yeah.
I would add some health to your Oh, you died, didn't you?
I died, yeah, because
It's
and it
weird.
also crashed because of
yeah.
the issue.
I love when Bitlytic does his job and breaks everything. No, I'm just kidding.
That's true.
Is their indicators always flashing the same color and issue? No, they're supposed to flash together since they like combine together. It looks nicer that way.
They're supposed to flash together, he said.
Mhm.
They're supposed to flash together.
Yeah, twin. Yeah,
Welcome to
twin.
roommate. Okay. Enemy spawn 5. Up. So that'll be 16 of them total. Look at the. I really
Little
like
eggs
the
look so
pattern.
Weird, yeah.
Hello.
POV, Cosmic, and Moaz are in the Discord call.
True. Oh, you're getting guys now.
I'm getting swarmed, dude. I'm getting swarmed. Why are they still spawning eggs? Oh, because that's the new hive that just spawned.
Yeah.
Fucking Toho players dodging all of the water in the shower. Damn, dude, that motherfucker went flying.
It
Oh, I
actually
forgot
makes
to
me
make it
so
so
happy though that you can like actually dodge things, cause like
Yeah.
it'll make it feel less bad for us making rooms more difficult. Cause like the fact that you can survive this without getting hit means that we can spawn a lot more. Like obviously we won't immediately do that, but in like later rooms you can spawn a lot more enemies without like instantly murdering the player.
Yeah, I'm telling you, honestly, like, even though this mode is like, or like this render quality is a little bit of like just a meme or for fun, it honestly does help with readability.
Yeah.
That's actually true. That's
Well,
a
it's
good
usually
point.
better it gets hard to tell when it's to an enemy that just started its charge up an enemy he's about to attack.
Yes, that is 100%
Yeah.
true. I think that may be a thing that can just be like a...
Yeah, I think that's...
Probably...
Because it's kind of hard to communicate that, just in general.
I
Like,
think they could do
imagine
something...
if they did flash faster, like, differently when they were about to attack. Like, keeping track of all of those would be really difficult. I feel like it would just add more noise.
Which is, we could just change the animation so that at a certain point as it's about to charge, it does something else.
Maybe it, like, gets a little bit larger or something, like it does, like, a little...
Yeah. Something like that is what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because then... Sorry, what did I just change? Oh, that's the position that I changed. Oopsies.
You can make it so the indicator slowly grows to max size right before it attacks instead of making it the max size instantly. The issue with that is then you don't know how big their attack is going to be until like the second before they attack. Like the upside of it being the same size is it's like, okay, I can't be in this box or I will take damage. With that, it's like, oh, is it going to stop growing? Are they going to attack soon? Like,
yeah. Like, what would that look like? That's not... Ah! Ah!
you're definitely gonna have to make it a little bit more to make it noticeable.
Yeah.
Also, does that update in real time?
Should, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I could make it like hella obvious that it updates in real time. It would grow to a very large size and then go back.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, and that updates in real time. Always has, always will. Oh, you know what? That's actually a good point. That's actually a really good idea. Yeah, actually, I really like that. Instead of it being like a rectangle, we could use a polygon and
Yeah,
have
it
it
starts off
so
like
that
wide and then like same work.
Yeah.
Maybe. Thinking, yeah, that could work. The main issue there is not making it too big that like you don't know where they're going to attack. Because like if it starts off really large and it's like, oh, I'm gonna die if I get hit here, but then it actually gets smaller, which is less of a problem than it like growing and then hitting you. I feel like, but okay. Here I'm gonna resume my music and mute your stream because I don't need to hear hello.
And muting your stream.
Hello.
Yeah, I don't need to hear that no more.
What the hell, dude? It's like, I don't need to hear that no more. I can just fucking join the VC whenever I see a Moaz.
True.
I'm actually so glad Godot allows me to edit, like, animate polygons this way.
Yeah.
Where, like, you can just, like, say, on this frame, your vertices are this, and on this frame, your vertices are this, and it's like, all right, boss, time to fucking lerp between them.
Yeah.
And it just does it.
And also for the indicators, like, for the people in chat, we're obviously not going to have that many enemies on screen at once. So, like, they don't need to be, like, exact. Because obviously you don't want to just, like, tell the player exactly what they need to do. Gotta use your brain, you know? Like, hey, this guy started charging up 2 seconds ago, that means he's going to attack in, like, 1 second.
My stomach hurt.
Stomach ache.
My stomach ache.
Probably because you need to play
Only
Deadlock.
Yeah, I was gonna say the only cure is deadlock.
I don't know if I like Deadlock.
It's terminal. It's terminal, I think.
But who
When are you
cares
playing
if
League of
I
Legends?
feel like Deadlock. I need to see you in that tournament that I was gonna join us.
Oh my god, you fucking freak.
But
Oh shit, I forgot to make the rectangle not animate. Scenes, don't do
wait, why does it actually look kind of sick?
It does look kind of sick. I think it needs a little bit more.
It needs to go into a square. It
needs to go out
It shouldn't get
first.
pointy.
You think so?
Yeah, I don't like the pointy.
Fair enough.
Hey, look at that. I
Yeah.
can just load straight into the poison level.
You're welcome.
Oh, what did I do? Huh? Oh, because room 10 is still here. I'm gonna delete room 10 because you suck. We hate room 10. Room 10 my op. No.
Yeah, actually, I do.
Let's go twin.
This doesn't look terrible. Take a look at this.
Yeah, that looks nice. Ooh, I like how like it's really small, like right as it
Yeah, that's the indication that it's about to charge is
yeah.
right at the end it like collapses on itself. Which would probably actually be better done maybe a little bit further back, like here. Like right as it's about to charge, it should finish, like it should collapse. Yeah. Look at that.
Looks really good.
That's sick.
Yeah, I'd
Could also make it.
I would make it maybe a little longer.
Yeah, can do that. Can do.
Fortunately, you just have to do all that manually, but
Not really. I mean, I can just like. Well, how long are we thinking? So there's like how long? Where do you want it to be?
like 3 more tiles long.
3 more tiles, so to like that tile boundary right there.
Yeah, maybe a little shorter. Like maybe
Shorter,
2.5,
boundary?
2.5, somewhere around there.
6.5 and 7.
Yeah, like between 6 and 7,
I
you
don't-
know.
Yeah. I wonder if this works like Blender, if I can like hover this. Nope. Sick. It actually pisses me off that Blender has some of like the most usable like UI in all of anything ever. Oh, that is way too long. Oopsies. Oopsies. Fuck me. I got it exactly at the 2 tile mark. I'm not changing
That's
it.
dead now.
I think
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. And then what this looks like at 1 scaling, like
Looks very good. Twin.
and then maybe, you know what? Let's see what this looks like at regular resolution as well. I think
Mhm.
it deserves to be shown there. Oh, that feels weird. Oh my god. Hold on. Fuck. My eyes were not ready to see the game look normal. I don't know why that like broke my brain. It
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
legitimately stopped feeling like Dante's 9,
Yeah.
which
You
is
need to
weird.
Stop playing in low quality twin.
No, dude, it's good for accessibility testing.
I'll spawn like 1,000,000 of them.
Hold up. I also want this to potentially. So sorry, I see there's messages over in chat. I will check them in
No,
a moment.
don't talk to them. They're evil.
Don't talk to chat.
Don't
Chat.
talk to chat. They're evil. Evil.
Chat. I've heard that you're evil. What do you plead? What is your? Do you plead guilty?
I plead oopsie daisies.
I plead. Yeah.
Address us. Bro, think he the elephant.
You fuck with salads. What's your favorite salad dressing?
Chick-fil-A creamy salsa. The pixelated style font with these high graphics looks off. Oh yeah, that's fair. We do want to change the font at some point because it is a little too pixelated for the game. It needs to be a little bit higher resolution.
JW drew the font.
Yeah, I drew the font, so like I'm allowed to make fun
Yell
of it.
at him.
You know?
Yell at him.
Hello, why didn't my particles load? Oh, maybe because they're hidden? Why are they hidden? There we go, look at that. Oh, the green area now, it has a level at least.
Whoa. We're like actually making a game. This is fucking weird.
Yeah, I know, it's weird. There's like 3 levels that you can go to, and they like all look different. And there's a 4th that I need to work on. Jarvis, make Tempura watch 67 TikToks for 67 days. Okay. Bro, say that like it's a bad thing.
1 TikTok a day or 67 TikToks for 67 days each. That's not even that many TikToks, dog. I don't even use TikTok ever if you think that's a lot of TikToks.
Yeah.
Like a minute of scrolling.
True.
I'm like stupid. I made this like. Fun.
If I restart, okay. If I restart, it's some feedback. It's level. Okay, it doesn't restart the. It feels so weird having a game that like you can actually play. It's like, what do you mean this isn't just like a crappy prototype? Hello.
Yeah. It is really cool. I can tell you right now, though, I cannot wait to take the ideas that I've learned from Dante's 9 and use them on any other project.
So true, Tim. And I know full well that if I start another project without you, it's just gonna be terrible code again.
Like, I cannot wait to start using some of these like concepts in like a real game.
I want to see
like
how easily
school
I could
roguelike.
dodge a bunch of these guys. Obviously, I spawn more than that's a lot.
Well, they don't have the indicator.
Yeah, I know. I want to see how easily.
Oh,
they
you're
are
just
to
doing it
dodge
for like
without-
just for funsies.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, it's like so hard to see.
Okay,
anything.
all right.
I mean, obviously there's more, but
Here's. Oh,
It's
shit,
very
yeah.
unreadable.
I got the indicator.
oh,
to
nice. I had
unhappy
you
with
on
right
screen
now.
the entire time. Whatever, who cares? Yeah, it looks very nice. I like it.
I'm gonna spawn a bunch of these dickheads.
Let's see it, twin. Just spawn a bunch of hives,
Oh shit! Sorry, hold on.
and also don't do it from
Like, wait
there
for them to
because
Yeah, wait for them to charge. They need to get rid of their hive once player. Oh, wait, is player health invulnerable?
yeah.
There we go. Give me a sec. Oh shit! I forgot because the player was. Okay, there we go. Player health invulnerable full. There we go. So now I should be invulnerable. Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh, dude, they are a little fucked up.
Hmm.
Just like a little bit.
Is it? I'm trying to see if what's messed up. Is it?
I know what's wrong with it. Don't worry.
Oh,
It's just
something's
that it's
definitely wrong. Yeah.
yeah, it's a me thing. Yeah.
Is the polygon not like unique or something?
It's because yeah, that too. No, that shouldn't be an issue. Actually, they are unique.
Okay.
It's the animation player. The reset track sets it back up like this, and I want it to instead not do that. So this it's a little weird, but
something
yeah, don't
still
worry about
looks
it. It's
wrong. Maybe not. They might have been the old ones that were still there.
yeah.
Keep seeing some like really pointy ones.
Oh yeah, like that one's pointy.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Oh, nice. Now there's one that's
It's like it
constantly
stopped like
pointy.
partial way. Yeah, he like stopped partway through the animation or something.
But there's never a point in the animation where it's pointy.
Is that true?
I think probably.
Oh, it starts off pointy. And then
I
expands
see.
out. How did he...
I would make this the distance between that one and the full width less as well.
I can just set the first frame to not be... Yeah, they're... It's like kind of much harder to see, I'll be honest.
Yeah, I would agree. Maybe make it less wide.
Because...
Like, keep
yeah,
the...
I think it's because of how wide it is.
Yeah, just make it like a lot less.
I think this would be too skinny, perhaps? Because I think at this point it's... Yeah. It's a very cool idea. I don't know what to do with it to make it more practical, though.
Yeah, because honestly, I do think that, like, just the rectangle is more readable when there's a lot of things going on.
Yeah.
Because I do kind of like the principle of it should only be where they're actually attacking. Like, it being wider like that makes you think that the attack area is wider than it actually is, but I don't know. I think, if anything, just the rectangle is fine. There might be better options, but...
Making them all unique is kind of fun.
Yeah, no, it's bad. Very bad spray bottle sound effect.
The charge time is also like excuse me, hella long. Which is maybe fine.
I think it's fine.
What if wait, what if the indicators what if they like went outward over time rather than starting at full length? As well as like I don't know.
Try that. I feel like that could still be part of the same issue where it doesn't really cover the whole where it is.
Yeah.
Unless you made it like what would it be? Ease out? Where it like goes really fast and then kind of slows down right as it's about to.
Okay, sorry, let me read chat really quickly. I've been ignoring people for too long. Let's see, where is this? Where was the last thing that I read? Yeah, the change of the thing and making it so it flashes one time the missile fires off is kind of a cool idea. The only problem is with the different indicators, because GW wants it to be conjoined.
Yeah, I'm just going to say how they're connected and the flashing is not going to change. Everything else I'm open to messing around with, but those are...
Also, yeah. I do also like that the, like what you said, Jerry, was the way that you can live edit code in Godot. That is really nice. Oh, those look insane. Oh, I know why those look so insane. So I forgot to change the first keyframe to not be way the hell out there. So instead of it... yeah, I don't know. Ouch. Something that from across the world just dove over at me.
I don't... Maybe if you made it faster, like expand faster, it'd be okay.
Mm-hmm. Like,
just make like the ease.
More ease.
Yes, like that. That's better.
Let me also make them. Let me try that again with the wide version. Like make this like hella wide, and then have it like very quickly shrink down to the. We'll see. I think that might be a little.
What?
Yeah, maybe a little too much.
What did you do?
Sorry, my fault. My fault.
I mean, it looks kind of sick.
It. Oh, sorry. My fault. Win. Where the fuck was I? Take me back. Take me back to the animation player. Where my home is. My home is the animation player. I love this shit. Could actually be a combination type of shit. Combination Pizza Hut Taco Bell.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it grows to the distance first, and then it kind of hones in a little bit. Like a 550 on this bitch, and then a 550 on this bitch.
I do honestly think we're overcomplicating it. Like, I feel like the
Oh,
simpler
100%.
the indicator, the better.
Oh, 100% probably.
Like, so far, I think
probably
the
is fine.
rectangle is probably the best so far. Like, maybe the expanding lengthwise worked a little bit.
See what that looks like. Also, making it say goodbye whenever it actually fires. I don't know about that one. I think it would be funny to actually have an enemy that used the me saying hello
Bullet.
sound. Bullet. Bullet.
Bullet. Bullet. Bullet. Bullet. I got one of the synergies that makes it say other words the other day. And it was like, wow,
Yeah,
it's
you
like
mentioned that.
actually kinda nice.
Oh, wait. Wait. That, like, actually gives me an idea. Well, not that, the thing you said, but this, the way that this works actually gave me, like, an idea that I really like. Which is, so this goes out like this. And then after a short amount of time, it shrinks down a little bit so that it shows that it's locked in. So it grows out, and then it will lock in, and then fire, mayhaps. Maybe a little bit more noticeable than that. I had something working, kinda. I kind of like the way that it looked. So maybe it's just this, like -35 or something. Kind of like that a little
What
bit.
if we just did the rectangle? I like what you're trying to
You're not a fan of
do. I
this?
just think it's overcomplicating it. And also, that means that we're going to have to go through the same process for every other indicator. I think they should just be simple. Like, I don't...
Yeah.
Because it's like... I don't... No, yeah.
Yeah.
It's overcomplicated.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna say it's overly complicated.
JW hates you guys, is what he said, actually.
Yep.
He just said he hates everyone in chat.
That's what I said.
Everybody in chat is hated by JW, aka Tempura Cat.
What?
Just saying. Just saying.
Hello. 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 Hello.
No, I'm not listening to evil chat. Chat is evil, this is true.
Now the hardest thing to see on the screen is actually Dante, a little bit. Mostly, like, whenever I stand in front of that, like, statue that you've got down there. It's, like, a little hard to see.
I didn't even figure out how to improve that.
Oh, these guys, whenever they get angry and they go into attack mode, they become red. Do we want to make them like?
We could probably give them an outline.
We could probably make them flash, like the
like the other guys.
Not this flash, but you know, yeah.
Like the outline flash, do we want to make that match with the other flashes? The other blinking, like the indicator blinking.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Because
this one doesn't. The this guy's attack doesn't. Yeah, do we want to lock those? I don't know, actually.
I think so. Maybe. Maybe not.
The indicators are really cool. Like,
yes, they're very
nice.
nice.
I really like these.
They are very nice.
I'm very, very proud of these. Like, look at the way they kind of like disappear into like dots at the end of the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Look at him go. He's attacking. Swing. Watching them just fucking flop around though is pretty fun. What if... Oh shit, dude. Sorry, I paused the game and I saw him flying across my screen and I was like, I gotta see him hit me. So these enemies are like really easy to kill, right? Like, they don't have a lot of HP?
Yeah, I think they have 20.
What if they took a little bit of damage whenever they slammed into the wall?
Yeah, we could probably do that, given that it spawns more of them.
Yeah, because with how that enemy works, like, it's always going to be tied to the other enemy. That way,
yeah.
Because we could kind of make it a little bit like, this hive enemy is, like, the one that matters.
Yeah.
And then the spawn will, like, they're, like, it's kind of like, this is, like, a queen bee, and these are, like, the workers or whatever. Like, these guys will just, like, they will just die if asked for.
Yeah.
And it's like they don't really have regard for their life, which is why they dash at you.
Yeah. And then also to compensate
like
for that,
that
we could
idea,
increase the health of the hive, because currently it's like very weak, relatively.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I was also thinking when I was like, it's kind of hard to tell if you've killed the guy or not, other than like, because like whenever he dies, he goes into like the gibs and shit. Which could be like kind of confusing when compared to like the ragdoll, because they both kind of do the same thing-ish. Obviously not the exact same, but like you can see like the way he's rolling around versus like the way these guys roll around. Like very similar.
I was also thinking maybe we could have them blink when they get up as well. Like the outline blink. Because that way you know they're still alive.
I don't know. I don't know about that, because the outline blink usually means this thing is important right now.
That's true too, yeah.
And having something like that flash would be really...
I guess they're not like a danger if they get back up, because it'll take them a second to charge again, so like it doesn't really matter. You don't need to know instantly if they
I was thinking maybe the only thing that I would want to change about them getting up is there's maybe a little state where they like rise back up a little bit and then do like a little shake before they like go after the player again.
But I mean, like,
they, like, are dazed.
Just looking at this, it's like I'm not even paying attention to when they go flying off and bounce around, because like all I care about is the indicators, which I think is a good thing. You shouldn't have to think about like, you shouldn't have to spend like 5 seconds thinking, is this a threat or not? You should just see the indicator and be like, I am avoiding that box.
Yeah, and we could also make the indicator like right as they like, I don't know. I do think like something about stopping on walls maybe in the future.
Yeah, we might want to do something like that.
Or like I could also make the indicators not render behind, maybe render behind walls
bubble
or something.
Shader.
Yeah, bubble shader basically.
See, I was thinking that, but the thing is then if it goes through the
they
wall,
could, like, clip you.
Yeah. So I think it might be better to just keep it like this.
Yeah.
Because like then it's there's no chance that they can hit you where the indicator isn't.
Yeah.
Which I think I would rather the indicators like over predict than under.
Well, that's not entirely true, actually.
Yeah, they could like bounce off. They could slide off. Yeah, you're right.
They actually can't slide off of walls and hit you.
Oh yeah, because they bounce.
It disables the hurt box the second that they hit a wall.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
It is very funny looking at them just go flying. And
yeah, maybe they should probably have like an outline, like maybe like a white outline when they're dashing, so that way you can see them if they're flying from off screen.
Yeah, I think that would be very similar with like the.
Yeah, or we could also
that's what we could do.
We give them the flashing.
We could just give everything that has an attack like the red out, like a piercing red outline. Like, do we have a more red than just this red?
No, because
I don't think we do.
Yeah, we don't. I would rather it flash than do that. I don't know. Colors are hard because it's like
yeah,
you're like more red.
The one issue that I have with making them
pure
flash
red, which is like
so the issue that I have with them having them flash. This thing is flashing, which is not an imminent threat. But if we put flashing on an enemy that's moving, that is an imminent threat. You might see that as
I would make it maybe just pure
an indicator.
Because, like, that's the same colors like the bullets.
Just pure white? I don't know about that.
I would
bullets
try
are red.
Yeah, they're white in the middle, though. Which is, like, the main thing that you pay attention to. Because it's very high contrast compared to
then we'd have to... then I would say we would change the flashing on the indicator outline, then.
To be what?
Because, I don't know, just not white. Because I think if we want something to be outlined white whenever it's a threat, then having the indicator flash red and white doesn't make sense because the outline isn't, like, the indicator's not a threat.
I think that's okay.
Currently.
I mean, I think it's okay for them to be the same color because it's like, it's something that you want to avoid. Like, you don't want to be in the outline or in the indicator because that means that you're going to get hit. And you don't want to touch the enemy because that means you're going to get hit. It's like the same thing. You just don't want to be near it. I'd say we try it, and if it's terrible, we can change it.
Yeah, we can. I'm just like I'm theory crafting it a little bit right now.
Yeah,
where I'm
that's
like,
okay. But I think you're overthinking it a little bit, which is okay. It's good.
I don't think so.
But
nope, I'm not overthinking. I've never done that.
Anyways, it's deadlock time.
Is it deadlock time? Oh, it's 9:30.
Yeah.
It's deadlock time. I mean, good night, everybody. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for the feedback on this. Genuinely, talking about some of this indicator stuff has definitely helped with it a lot.
Yes,
some of the ideas in chat are really nice.
Even if we didn't use
really
them.
like that. Well, the ideas led us to some places that we really like.
This is true, yeah.
Like how this thing kind of grows out a little bit.
Hello.
Hello. Did I? No, I didn't. Actually, did I change anything else that I wanted to show off? We do have the ability to select levels now, although you guys will see. I've seen this if you were over on JW's screen. We are. I want to work on another level soon.
I already made one.
Oh, and the tutorial stuff. The tutorial stuff, right? Did you show off the tutorial stuff?
Oh no, I didn't. Here, I can show it off because I think I have more stuff on my end than you do.
Oh shit! Found a bug.
Oh, what? Oh.
It's raining in the tutorial.
That's okay.
Because I loaded into the rainy level.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're saying you want to show things off on your end?
Yeah, because I have more stuff. I have more stuff in the tutorial than you do, Glenn.
Okay, everybody. You get to see JW show off the tutorial. Prepare for 720p on a ultra-wide monitor. There we go.
So here we have the basic attack, and then it tells you here. Probably can't read it, but it says that scratch their standard attack. It's weak, but it can always be used. So that way you know it's not like your primary attack. Then you kill that guy. Oh, I need to increase the damage of the scratch.
I would say maybe move the sign back a little bit because the sign was blocking the damage numbers a decent bit, which just feels a little messy.
This is broken. Don't worry about that.
Yep.
This says to be dealt an equipment card. Equipping it will temporarily override your standard attack. And it tells you how to do that here, which is simple. You don't have to worry about selecting. You shoot this guy. And then it tells you what all is on the equipment card. And then here we have similar. It's utility effect and summon cards, or whatever we want to call them. Then it says that these trigger immediately upon use instead of being equipped. And then it says to open the deck, see what these do. And then we have the amazing card selection tutorial. Look at that, which will then kill this guy. And then it tells you what all these different things mean on your current cards. And then here, it tells you that killing enemies will drop souls. And then it spawns some of these guys, which will die and explode their little heads, which is very satisfying. And drops a chest, which we need to fix. And
You should make them look a little different than the dummies in the other room by giving them cat ears.
By giving them cat ears, okay.
Yes, that is my suggestion.
Sounds good. And then here it tells you that you teleport. I don't know why it says M, it's supposed to be tab, but whatever. And then you can teleport, and then it takes you here, which I need to finish this. So I was just gonna make this be a teleporter room, and then you go on, and then you have an example. I think you'd have an example room, which is just like a normal level, except it's the dummy enemy, so they can't take damage. And then after that, I want to have it drop like a sticker pack, so that way you can mess with stickers.
Here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty much everything.
And almost all of this is controller compatible.
Yep. Except
Almost
for
all.
the card selection thing, which doesn't
Tutorial,
work.
apparently. I still don't know how.
Yeah,
I
it's
still have
okay.
no idea how it's breaking, but whatever.
We'll figure it out.
I'll figure it out, yeah. Alright, well, we are going to head out as the end of today's stream. We'll be back on Sunday. And thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for checking out the game. You can wishlist it on Steam if you want. You can join the Discord, my Discord or his Discord, either or. We usually hang out in mine playing games though, so that's probably the better one.
But if you want to
cooler
like
there,
give card ideas and stuff,
you can still join
mine's
mine and
pretty
give the card
cool.
ideas there instead.
that's not true. We'll ignore you.
It's true. But anyways, I will catch you guys later. Good night, everybody.